In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find one-way flight in Korean Air. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Korean Air website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation. You'll see several options there. Click the one labeled Book. This takes you to the flight search area, where you can set up your trip details. By default, most sites show round trip. Switch that setting to one-way, so you're only searching for a single outbound flight. Now choose your departure location. Click into the From field and begin typing the city or airport you're leaving from, then select the correct match from the suggestions. Do the same in the To field to set your arrival city or airport. Next, pick your departure date. Click the date box to open the calendar and select the day you want to fly. If you see flexible date hints or a fare calendar, you can glance at it to gauge which dates might be cheaper, but you can stick with your chosen day if your plans are fixed. Now set the number of passengers. Open the passenger menu and adjust adults, children, and infants as needed. Make sure each category is accurate, since fares and seat rules can differ by age group. Then choose your cabin class. You can keep it in economy or switch to premium economy, business, or first if they're available for your route. Cabin class affects both price and onboard comfort, so choose what fits your needs and budget. When everything looks right, click Search. Give the site a moment to load the results. You'll be taken to a list of one-way flight options that match your criteria. Here you can review flight times, total travel duration, the number of stops, and prices. Many pages also let you refine results by departure time window, number of stops, or specific price ranges to help you focus on the best matches. Take a careful look at each option's details. Pay attention to layover length if there's a connection, and note the fare's rules around changes, refunds, and baggage, since some basic fares can be more restrictive. When you find the schedule and price that work best, select that flight to continue. You'll be prompted to proceed either as a guest or as a member. Continuing as a guest is straightforward and doesn't require an account, while signing in as a member can help you earn miles and speed up checkout with saved traveler details. That's it. You've set up a one-way search, compared the options, and move forward to book your preferred Korean Air flight with confidence.